I'm at the mercy of the location of the house my parents chose. If I'd had 5 years, I'd have known it could have been with anyone else that I tried to make a home. If I was no runaway, and you were the last person left on Greenway, and you wouldn't get away, and we'd make noise from our place on Downing Street. Remember when you crashed your bike on the track? We both did things I wish we could take back. On kissing, scrape knees, I didn't know anywhere else that I could have made a home. If I was no runaway, and you were the last person left on Greenway, and you wouldn't get away, and we'd make noise from our place on Downing Street. Watch the cardinals on the humming wire dance with the fallen leaves. If you'd have the gold, my dear, the fall like December snow and melt down at your feet. If I